Hey, I want to make a quick video on this Dirtbound Offroad window grill for the 2000 Jeep XJ, and just say this is really heavy-duty metal, well done on this part of it. Fits the window nice, as you can see, and the way I've got it installed is extremely sturdy. Okay, so very heavy duty, very well made. I primed it with a self-etching primer. What I didn't like was I only got 4 brackets, so I got to go find 4 brackets to mount this one. I double checked the bags, the plastic wrap, the box. I only had 1 bag of 4 brackets. So anyway, the screws that they give you are wood screws, not metal screws, and I'm not going to put it in this flimsy metal or this plastic. But if you mount it up top here, it's metal all the way across. So as you can see, I mounted it right there. I started it with a metal screw that will open up the metal, and then I used their wood screws. I didn't have long enough metal screws, but I did that one as well. Okay, and then up here is the same, right up into the metal. Now it bends this up a little bit, so just be aware of that. And to get it sit right, I had to do the one, there's 2 brackets that have adjustable, right? I had to put those up here on the front to make it sit right. So the only thing left I'm going to do is on the back there, I'm going to put some Loctite on the screws in the back. I don't know if you can see back there. I'll put some Loctite on the threads there. Solid, well built. I forgot I also had to bend all the brackets so that they angle right. So you know, if they make it for the Jeep, they should have those bent. Definitely send me all 8 angle brackets, and the screws they send are long enough, but they should include metal tapping screws, not wood screws. Overall, I like it. It's very heavy duty. It's going to hold it's going to hold anything. That's why I put it into the metal, into the frame, not plastic. So I definitely recommend it. It'd be nice for this kind of money if they would include metal tapping screws, and maybe double check when they mail something out that they got all the brackets. But overall, definitely a very good product. I can't wait to put all sorts of stuff on the side window. Great addition to my Jeep XJ.